Hello students, today we will see extreme programming, XP values and practices in XP. Then what is meant by extreme programming? Extreme programming is originally described by Kent Beck, which is one of the most popular agile methodologies. Extreme programming is a set of practices that conforms to the values and principles of agile. Extreme programming is originally described by Kent Beck, which is one of the most popular agile methodologies, and it is the set of practices that will be used for discrete methods where agile is classifications. There are many agile methods. XP, that is extreme programming, is just one of them. XP is a disciplined approach to delivering high quality software quickly and continuously. The extreme programming is an agile development framework that aims to produce higher quality software. These are the main aim: to produce higher quality software and higher quality of life for the development team. XP is most specific of agile framework regarding appropriate engineering practices for software development. The extreme programming emphasizes teamwork, like managers, customer and developer together make a team. Then what is extreme programming? XP is a lightweight, efficient, low risk, flexible, predictable, scientific and fun way to develop a software. Extreme programming was conceived and developed to address the specific needs of software development by small teams in the face of vague and changing requirements. Extreme programming is one of the agile software development methodologies, and it provides values and principles to guide the team behavior. The team expected to self-organize. Extreme programming provides specific core practices where each practice is simple and self-complete, and combination of practices produce more complex and emergent behavior. These XP is most specific of agile framework regarding appropriate engineering practices for software development. Extreme programming having some advantages. Extreme programming solve following problems: sleep schedule and achievable development cycles, ensure timely deliveries, cancel project, focus on continuous customer involvement, ensures transparency with the customer and immediate resolution of any issues. If any issue occur, then it can focus on continuous customers involvement. Then cost incurred in changes, extensive and ongoing testing make sure the changes do not break the existing functionalities. And production and post delivery defects emphasizes on the unit test to detect and fix the defects early. Then XP values. The 5 values of XP are communication, simplicity, feedback, courage and respect. These are: first is communication. Software development is inherently a team sport that relies on communication to transfer knowledge from one team member to everyone else on the team. XP stresses the importance of appropriate kind of communication. That means these communications occurs face-to-face communications, face-to-face discussion with the aid of whiteboards or other drawing mechanisms. Second is simplicity. Simplicity means what is the simplest thing that will work. The purpose of this: avoid waste and do not absolutely necessary things such as keep the design of the system as simple as possible so it is easier to maintain, support and revise. Then third is feedback. Through constant feedback about their previous efforts, team can identify areas for improvement and revise their practices. Feedback also supports simple design. Your team builds something gathered feedback on your design and implementation and then adjust your products going forward. Fourth is courage. Effective actions in the face to fear. This definition shows the preference for action based on the other principle so that the results aren't harmful to the team. You need to courage to raise organizational issues that reduces your team effectiveness. You need courage to stop doing something that doesn't work and try something else. You need to courage to accept and act on feedback even when it's difficult to accept. Then last is respect. The member of your team need to respect each other in order to communicate with each others and provide and accept feedback that honors your relationship and to work together to identify simple design and solutions. Then which practices in extreme programming? There are 12 practices in extreme programming. The core of XP is the interconnected set of software development practices listed in diagrams. First is whole team. With XP, the customer is not one of who pay the bills, but the one who really uses the system. XP says the customer should be on hand at the time and available for questions. For instance, the team developing a financial administration system should include a financial administrator. Second is planning game. The main planning process within extreme programming is called as a planning game. The planning game is a meeting that occurs once per iteration, typically once a week. The planning process is divided into two parts, religious planning and second is iteration planning. Religious planning contains exploration phase, commitment phase, steering phase, and iteration phase contains exploration phase, commitment phase and steering phase. Both are having same phases, but one is releasing planning and second is iteration planning. Then third is small release. The delivery of software is done via frequent releases of live functionality, creating concrete values. The small releases help the customer to gain confidence in the progress of project. Then fourth is customer test. The developer continuously write unit test which needs to pass for development to continue. The customer write test to verify that the features are implemented. Fifth is collective ownership. Collective code ownership means that everyone is responsible for all the codes. Therefore, everybody is allowed to change any part of the code. Then coding standard. Coding standard is an agreed upon set of rules that the entire development team agrees to adhere throughout the project, and the standard specifies the consistent style and format for source code within chosen programming language as well as various programming constructs and patterns that should be avoided in order to reduce the probability of defects. Then sustainable pace. This concept is that programmers or software developers should not work more than 40 hours in weeks. If there is overtime one week, that the next week should not include more overtime, since the development cycles are short. Cycles of continuous integration and full development cycle are more frequent. The project in XP do not follow the typical crunch time that other projects require. Then metaphor. A metaphor is an expression often found in literatures that describe a person or object by referring to something that is considered to have similar characteristics to that person or object. Then continuous integration. Code is integrated and tested many times in a day. One set of changes at the time. A simple way to do this to have machine dedicated to integrations. The development team should always be working on the latest version of software. Then test driven development. Unit tests are automated tests that test the functionality of pieces of code, for example classes, method. Within XP, unit tests are written before the eventual code is coded. Then refactoring. When implementations in a features, developer always asks if there is a way of changing the existing code to make the feature simple. After they have added a feature, developer asks if they now can see how to make the code simpler and while still running all of the tests. Then simple design, programmers should take a simple is best approach to software design. Whenever a new piece of code is written, the author should ask themselves a simple way to introduce the same functionality. Then 13 is peer programming. Peer programming means all code is produced by two people programming on one task on one workstation. One programmer has control over the workstation and is thinking mostly about the coding in details. The other programming is more focused on big picture and continuously reviewing the code that is being produced by first programmer. These are the practices in extreme programming.